Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Uniswap, its valuations against Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the US dollar. Uniswap is one of the leading automated market makers, I would say, for the cryptocurrency space, and is one of my plays. Has a pretty good chunk of percentage of my portfolio. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. In recap of Uniswap, Uniswap has dropped to the local bottom about 63% against Bitcoin. Against Ethereum, it's even more. If you take it to the wick to the local bottom, it was an 83% correction. And for the US dollar, in fact, the local bottom was about 72% drop. Starting with Bitcoin, we see it rally. We're seeing Uniswap rally against all three pairings, which is interesting. We're coming back up to the 3,700 Satoshi level from the lows of on just under 3,000 Satoshis. Sorry, 30,000 Satoshis, which is pretty impressive. And we're heading back to the 20-week moving average. One thing to note is that the 20-week moving average did act as kind of a barrier during the months of the summer, which resulted in a another attempt on the end of September, which dropped the price significantly. We did not hold support on any of these levels, and we're kind of bouncing in no man's land if you look at the chart. And this kind of goes to show with Uniswap, my point of it just being a new asset. We don't know what the support and resistance levels are, especially with a chart this small. Again, we only have a little over a year of price action for this asset. A little over a year. It's not nearly enough to make any decent TA out of it. And because of that, I would say with Uniswap to keep an open mind, which I have, and you can use things like the RSI to help you navigate through where is an optimal time to buy, and you can kind of see that with Ethereum. Against Ethereum, Uniswap dropped to about I think the lowest was 26.79 on the RSI, which was a pretty decent area to buy. Um, and this is where the bounce has started, right? We're seeing an outpacing of Ethereum now for the longest time, and again, we were again being rejected off of the 20-week moving average for the Ethereum pairing as well. Time will tell uh, over the next couple of weeks. If this rally, if this move continues, we will eventually get to the 20-week moving average, and it might become a question of can Uniswap break through it, and if it does, then I would say hallelujah. This is a pretty good time for Uniswap to rally, because of this massive drop. And over the course of months, years even, we'll be able to then take a look back at Uniswap and kind of see how it navigates against Ethereum, right? You got assets like Tezos against Ethereum, right? I can bring this up, and it just bleeds against Ethereum. It seems like, right? You can have assets like VeChain, which at least oscillate against Ethereum, which is a pretty good asset to have if it oscillates against Ethereum. Same thing with Cardano. With Uniswap, we don't know yet. We just see like an S curve, not even an S curve, but a potential of oscillation. But this low is now lower than this low, which is not a good sign. Um, Question is does this area essentially become kind of like an optimal accumulation zone for Uniswap, kind of like what we see with VeChain and Cardano, and it kind of just moves like that. That has remained to be seen. We simply don't know. But we can hope for the best. Looking at the US dollar, $16 range, or if you want to bring it lower to the wicks, $14 has been rock solid for Uniswap, it seems. Right. We've made three bounces back in the summer, and we've made our stint here in the fall, into Q4. If anything about these bounces, this could result in a rally, which we did see Uniswap do back in July. It rallied about 95, almost 100%. Here's hoping that it's the rally's bigger this time in Q1. All in all, though, Uniswap is finally showing some life. If we look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, it's also showing some life as well. If my chart will load, we're slowly chipping away at 40% dominance, which is what we want if you're a macro altcoin holder. If you just hold all your assets in altcoins, this is what you want to see. You want to see this line break, and if this line breaks, then all your, not every single altcoin, but a majority of your altcoins will start to outpace, really start to outpace Bitcoin. And it has already done so for the past several months, right? From October. It's been down 6.63 it's been down about, 6.63 percentage points. That's pretty big. And if it's able to break through this floor, then further continuation of outpacing Bitcoin is likely. Um, and that is something definitely people who hold Ethereum want to see, Chainlink want to see, Uniswap, Basic Attention Token, Celsius, etc. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.